Okay, guys, highlights from Thursday, June 21st in the GreatStockPicks.com chat room. We did it again today on MCP. MCP was in a narrow range. This was the opening candle right where the arrow is here, 2266 high. It stayed in a narrow range while the SPY was weak. And when it got to this point, I went ahead and verbally, over the microphone, said I like this on a high of day break, 2267. And there's the trigger, and I said right after that the stop should go worst case below this candle, 2243. Well, then 5-10 minutes later, 2267, we're sitting at 2324. Okay, that's a quick 57 cents. As you've seen in our other videos, as I say, never look a gift spike in the mouth. I'm a seller into this spike here. Now, I kept a few shares, as I always do, but we were nearing the previous day's high, yesterday's high, and so I was out most up into this, especially the push above 23, and you can see what happened. Yeah, maybe I should have, it's easy to say now, I should have reversed and gone short, but I don't take a lot of trades each day. I just look for opportunities like this. MCP was very nice. Now, just glancing at the SPY, sorry, I got a lot of lines on there that represent areas of support, or not support today, but a possible support, I guess how I should word it. Anyway, there's no way when the market opens of knowing that the SPY is going to have this shape the entire day. Look at that, just a channel, not the best job of drawing lines, but just a channel down all day, okay? The SPY's been irrationally strong lately, so as I said to our group, it wasn't irrational to think, okay, now that we've retested this area that we're going to bounce, and then when we lost it, it wasn't irrational to think, okay, this spike down here and support here, this one, I don't know what exactly the price was, but this area wouldn't hold, okay? So with all the irrational strength lately, right, I'm thinking about a bounce right here, and it just kept taking out every line. 134, that made sense. It might have support at 134. Nope, right through that, and so on, right? And just literally closing at almost the low of the day. So no, I didn't do a good job of identifying and finding some shorts for us. I will say that Macy's early in the day I liked as a short into this bounce, but I never took it myself. This is when it looked like this. I never took it myself, never could find a real clean entry. I mean, it made sense below this little base here, but the whole number can act as a magnet sometimes. Anyway, I never found a clean entry, and Macy's just kept, so I identified an idea, but it, that doesn't really count because I didn't make any money off of it. I am, however, proud to say that I took, I don't know, 5 or 6 trades today, all of them long, and had a very nicely green day. So, when the SPY, when you look at the daily, and the SPY looks like this, again, sorry about all those lines, when you look at the daily and the SPY has this big red candle, I'm pretty proud to say I took, 4 or 5 trades, all of them long, and had a nicely green day. So, yes, I was on the wrong side of the market, but it's also a testament to show how quickly we pay ourselves along the way and how quickly we tighten the stops and get to a can't lose trade after that. So, there were some other trades that just gave me sandwich money and some missed opportunities too. So I'm not even going to go into them. I'll just leave this short and sweet, and we'll pick it up. What to expect tomorrow, who knows? I was pointing out in chat today real quick that if you look at the SPY, this red candle today that I put in, there aren't many. Look all the way back. Let's go back, to December. Look at all the red candles. You don't see, I don't know if you see one this size. In other words, this big of a range to the downside. This one was pretty big, fairly good size one here, but this was definitely a big selling day. Does that mean it continues tomorrow? Who knows, right? It'll all depend a lot of times on the macro, the euro picture, and all that stuff. So anyway, I'm not going to babble any further. We'll be back at it tomorrow, and we'll talk to you tomorrow night.